So right now we're doing my makeup for the little zombie clip, and it looks so good. Like, I don't even understand how it's possible to do it without like a professional makeup kit, but I look like I'm decomposing. So
here, show what we used.
We basically just used eyeshadow, and
see,
like,
look,
this
shades of
brush,
eyeshadow,
and I think this for my lips.
Yep. So that's all we used was those 3 colors to make her decompose.
But yeah, it's amazing.
Woohoo!
I'm so proud of her.
Yep.
We're such great friends, Mira and I. Here I am making it nice and messy.
Woohoo! This is totally casual. Just standing in front of the mirror in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
I'm gonna put the brush back.
Okay. Woohoo! This is great.
So now we're gonna go like put the finishing touches on and then film it.
Woohoo! So this is what we're using to support the camera. Because I don't want to hold it we don't want to hold it. See, zombie. We don't want to hold the camera the whole time. So we're using this abomination.
Like, against your shoulder.
Yeah, it's fine. There's nothing. So yeah. Woohoo!
Here's our blood. We're just using ketchup packets.
Classy.
We be ratchet.